you can prank the 911 and then press 911 so quickly and then call police. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have a important thing to tell you. It's very important. If there's emergency right now, if your mom is not waking up, or if you're choking, if you did like this, or your house is in fire because you are cooking something too hot with a fire, or if yourself get like yourself always gets hurt, or if something is getting hurt, if it's bleeding or does do something else, if it's alright, if they have a boo-boo, they just call like this. If you need to get emergency on to call the police or fire truck, you should say like this: 919 and then 29 and then 21, like this. 911, like that. But don't call if there's no emergency. You can't prank the 911, guys. And you have to see your mom if he's not calling, or if you have a papa cooking, if you have a mama cooking, if you have two mama cooking, if you have two papas cooking, and then if they not waking up, call 911. Or if there's a stranger gonna give children a candy, don't ever just get it if you like it. Just call 911 to get him to jail. You just get your pants with a pocket so you can hide it, and then get it right quick, or else they will kidnap you really quick, and then call and then press 911 so quickly and then call police, and you should say fire truck or police, and if there's emergency, but only if something is emergency, if your mom is not waking up, or your dad or yourself, so call 911 if there's emergency. But for now, there's no emergency for us. It's only for if people is in trouble. Okay, and you shouldn't call 911 if there's no emergency, or else you will get caught only. So bye bye guys. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys.